In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recall a Hotmail email in just 5 minutes. Sometimes we send an email only to realize soon after that we made a mistake or left something important out. Fortunately, there's a way to try and fix that swiftly. Let's dive into the process with some clear steps. First, you'll need to go to the Microsoft Outlook login page for Microsoft 365. This is your entry point to accessing your Hotmail emails, given how Microsoft services are now integrated. Once there, you'll spot the Sign In button prominently displayed. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your login credentials, such as your email and password. This is an important step to ensure you gain access to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main Outlook homepage. This is where you can see all your emails and options neatly organized in the familiar interface. Navigating around here might feel intuitive, but stay focused as we're going to make some quick adjustments. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of the page and locate the settings icon. Clicking on this will open a variety of options. It's crucial to be in the right place here, as the settings menu is where we can enable the feature to recall emails. Next up, within the settings menu, you'll want to find and click on the mail option. This area lets you personalize how emails work and look in your account. Enter the mail section and keep your eyes peeled for the compose and reply settings. Under the compose and reply section, there's an option labeled undo send. Clicking here is key to enabling what we often refer to as recalling an email. This feature essentially allows you a window of time right after sending an email where you can stop it from leaving your outbox. This undo send setting typically lets you choose the time limit within which you can recall a message. Make sure to adjust this according to your preference, allowing yourself enough cushion time to catch any last minute mistakes. By following these steps, you'll empower yourself with the ability to swiftly deal with email blunders. Just remember, a mindful approach while composing emails combined with this handy feature is your best bet against those accidental sends. And that's it, you've now successfully learned how to set up the recall option for your Hotmail emails in Outlook. Explore these settings at your own pace to get comfortable with them, and always double check your emails when you can. With this setup, you'll have peace of mind knowing you've got a quick fix ready just in case. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time with more helpful tips.